Okay, let's go File, Open, and click on Excel Expert Working. Then hold the Control key down and click on Excel X Working 2 and click Open and click Don't Update. And then let's go to the Windows menu and Arrange, and let's select Tiled and OK. And now click on Excel X Working 2. And let's go to the Tools menu and Track Changes and Highlight Changes and check Track Changes while editing and leave Highlight Changes on screen selected and OK and OK. And now let's select A1 in Excel X Working 2 and type My Hardware and press the Enter key. And now select B3 in Excel X Working 2 and type equals, and then select Excel X Working 2 workbook and click in C3 and press the Enter key. And now select C3 in Excel X Working Expert Working and change the amount to 90 and press Enter, and you'll see that B3 also changes, but it isn't highlighted as a change. Now click on A1 in Excel X Working 2 and go to the Tools menu and Track Changes and Accept or Reject Changes and OK and OK. And now let's click Accept and Accept, and now go to the Tools menu and Track Changes, Highlight Changes, and clear the Track Changes while editing box and OK and yes. And now we can close Excel Expert Working. Yes, and we can maximize that window. And now select B3 and B4 and go to the Format menu and Cells, and on the Protection tab let's ensure that Locked is selected and OK. And now let's go to the Tools menu, Protection and Protect Sheet, and we want all three. Well, we'll accept the default boxes, and let's type password as the password and OK. And let's enter the password again and OK. And now let's go to the File menu and Save As, and let's click on Tools and General Options and type password 2 in the open box and password 2 in the modify box in the confirm password, and then we're in the confirm password boxes. And we click OK, and we have a second one to enter. And save. And yes. And now let's close that file. File close. And now we want to go back and click on Open and open it again. And this time we'll be asked for a password. Our password 2 and OK. And now it wants it again. Password 2, we use the same password in both cases. OK, and we don't need to update. Now let's go to the Tools menu and Protection, and let's unprotect the sheet. And we have to enter our password, which in this case is password, and OK. And now let's go to the File menu and Save As, and let's click on Tools again and General Options, and select our 2 passwords and hit the delete key, and OK, and save, and yes. Now we can close the file, and let's go to my computer and let's browse to our folder and right click on Excel Expert Working and Properties, and on the General tab let's click the Read Only and OK. And now double click on Excel Expert Working to open it, and you'll see in the title bar it says Read Only. Now let's close out of that, and let's bring up our folder again, and let's right click on Excel Expert Working and Properties, and on the General tab let's clear that Read Only box and OK. And now double click on the file to open it, and we can right click on the folders button on the taskbar and close it. Okay,